This last video is an extension of simplifying fractions because I want to point out that when you simplify fractions to lowest terms, you can also determine whether two fractions are equivalent. So in this particular problem, we're going to take a look at the two fractions 3/7 and 24/56. And I want to know, are these two fractions equivalent? So in order to do that, there's many ways that you can do this actually. But one of the ways is to make sure that both fractions are in simplest form. Make sure that they are in lowest terms. And if the two fractions are in lowest terms and they're the same fraction, then they are equivalent. So let's start with 3/7. Is there a greatest common factor for 3 and 7 other than 1? And that answer is no. So 3/7 is going to just remain 3/7 because it is in lowest terms already. 24/56. Is there a greatest common factor for 24/56? That answer is yes. And I know that the greatest common factor for these two numbers is 8. So I'm going to divide both numbers by 8. So 24 divided by 8 is 3. And 56 divided by 8 is 7. So notice that when I divide by 8, I end up with 3/7. So that means that 24/56 is equal to 3/7. And since 3/7 is equal to 3/7, yes, we can say that they are equivalent. Because when they're both in lowest terms, they are equal, they are the same fraction. So simplifying fractions has multiple uses, and one of them is to determine whether fractions are equivalent.